Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get GTA 6 for free. Alright, so let's begin. So guys, GTA 6 is almost here, and after years of waiting, the excitement is finally building. One question a lot of people have is whether there's a legitimate way to get the game for free or at a discount. So there is a method. What you have to do, simply open up your browser on your mobile device and search for your couponbox.com. Once you are on this website, simply tap on the search bar and here search for GTA 6. Once you found the game, simply click on the get code button and this will take you to this page. Now let me quickly explain this website. This website offers free GTA 6 game code, but these codes are limited. So the codes are limited. So what you have to do, you simply have to come here and check if you get any code here. Simply click on this button and then the website will check if there is any verified code for you to be redeemed for GTA 6 free. It may ask to do some task before showing the full code, so you just have to complete that task. After that, this website will show the code and then you just have to redeem this code on the PS app, and that's it. This is how you can get GTA 6 for free. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.